Hello, brothers, sisters, you're Okodo. So I'm in Winneba in the central region of Ghana, and today's recipe is one traditional food we have in Ghana, especially for the Akan tribe. This is called Ampesi, and we'll be using plantain and taro leaves or cocoyam leaves, locally known as Kontomire, to prepare the dip or the sauce. Very nutritious food, and if you're someone lacking iron in your body or in your blood, this food is recommended for you. With basic ingredients, you can prepare this amazing dish. So we went to the local market to get our ingredients. It was beautiful seeing the market settings and everything, and also really fun negotiating or bargaining for the price. After that.
Two about a five.
Yeah, Kontomire. What's
About five.
No.
It's a two.
I don't know what's name. It's like 15.
Hey. One time, Amanda. Hey, the danger. Hey! Oh, yeah, madam. Madam, and so I don't know.
I want it to see. Look at see.
I have it. Oh, yeah,
Back to my roots here. So this is my home. This is where I was born and raised. Anyway, yeah. Where I'm sitting here right now, I've been sitting here for ages. Yeah, I'm trying to make the soakings. You know, fish scuba the soakings and you have had the better now. Okay, so we have kako salted meat, fish, salted fish, 5 cedis, which is I have to convert tomatoes 2 cedis. Fish, you know, a 12 cedis, so 24 cedis of the fish. Then the plantain cost a friend 8 cedis. Kontomire 5 cedis. This is 2 cedis. Then the pepper is 1 cedis. It's in a total of get it to 50 cedis here. It's 50 cedis sent to me the correct wow. Wow. It's basically, you know, yeah, Ampesi, Kontomire, the original Kontomire stew, you know, you're there, you can boil into the fish, you know, I will boil Kontomire. You're spinach, that spinach, you're spinach, yeah. Yeah. Mark Rusini. I'm in the moment. Mayo. Yeah, so this is how we prepare our food. Yeah, it goes on top of fire, and you know. So as I was saying, this is the proper way, the authentic way to do the bones. Say hi.
Tomatoes na me dey go no. Say na be your onion there achu no there na
ma. Okay.
Alba. Pensé la mio copione. Che la mio
Yeah, so as I said, this homemade cooking. Homemade cooking, forget gas. Cookpot. The sanka. Yeah. The sanka for you. If truly you want a friend something local like in the sanka, you can't do a bomb without a sanka. Yeah. So this green liquid from the Kontomire is something that you can't throw it away. Beneficial. So she's what is the bed then? Oh, the steaming namano. Come see to more. Like I'm fear certain things one way. Just look at this. Yeah, it's no. And I know what to turn it over still no do steam home. Difference so local and yamaru.
Kontomire fresh pa. Tienu eno so no, na you want a green pa.
Sekoto wom.
Imagine ahozuna abenya when you eat this one.
The Brazilian nani? Hey, no, you see this no?
Garnishing for your kind.
I like garnishing.
Yeah, garnishing
the no, I remember now, Obano, yeah, I am a former room beer. None yet, the Ankasa. You have an open one. I forgot one call.
Fresh onion fresh. Bono kodono ye you cut hey
Until this really more okay. Okay.
Yes, a couple.
Yeah.
Local couple.
I'm quite let me can no. Your dog your friend Kobe. That day you could be friendly. And so no, I can browse near one, and browse never. And so you who browse no soap. Papi. Yeah, the end Kontomire stew na bomuno with plantain that baby. Ebusia e na be like ebusen chemfa obiam ka fani plate bi amba. Yeah, chamere go round wadi surrounding. You know, I be surrounding in fi kill as a very quick wadi. Into haya.
I wouldn't say I didn't know we am from more than more go buy onya dino. Bania yedi. Mobia nya no ho emfa sopa onya nka kai pa manya. Baby a BBA free for modern
Bibi asonko. Ba baby aminu wa shasi na bibi ole. Mo anya just a video but it should go viral. Any episode with him.
Amen.
I
mix. I call the family garden. You are Ampesi.
Yeah, locally.
So if this is the first time watching, can you share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother, cooking with Cinda, collect, promote African food to ourselves as Africans and to the world. Orokodo, let's do this.
Oye, come on. Pocho is one or two the name. Yeah. Yeah. Kakunu flavor ni now.
Vegetables no stock in a part of it.
Yeah. Yeah, Kontomire no hun sini nyina aka ho. Yeah. Half cooked. Yeah.
Nutrients ni nyina is intact.
Orokodo. Orokodo.